Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by obtaining your Etherscan API key and picking the network you will query. Once you have the key, store it securely. Environment variables are best. Make sure to choose a client, curl for quick checks, Postman for inspection, or an SDK for integration. You will also identify the specific module and action you need, for example, account balance or transaction list. This determines query parameters. Once done, prepare a simple example request string with your API key to validate connectivity. Now you build the request. Specify module and action, include the target address, block range, and pagination params. When coding, append a PyKey equal to your stored key and useget for standard endpoints. Make sure to URL encode values and inspect return JSON keys to map to your app fields. For larger queries, implement pagination and respect rate limits by adding exponential backoff on 429 responses. Once done, log sample responses and validate data types before wiring results into your UI or backend. Finish by parsing the JSON and converting raw values, hex and Y, into human units like ether and readable timestamps. You should validate totals and reconcile pagination to avoid skipped transactions. Once done, add logging for error codes, malformed payloads, and rate limit headers so you can react programmatically. If something goes wrong, check the API key status first, then examine response error fields and retry headers. Make sure to implement graceful fallback in your UI to inform users of transient API issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.